Hello! Ever needed to create a simple, printable document using web technologies? Today, we'll explore how to craft A4-sized HTML pages using CSS. It's easier than you might think. We'll cover setting up your HTML structure and applying CSS for precise sizing and layout. First, let's start with the basic HTML structure. You'll need a standard HTML document with the usual head and body tags. Inside the head, we'll link our CSS style sheet. Make sure your HTML file is saved as something like index.html. Next, let's move on to the CSS. Create a CSS file, say style.css. Here's where the magic happens. We'll use the page rule to define the page size. Use size, A4, within that page rule. This tells the browser to render the content in A4 format. Now, let's control the margins. Within the page rule, you can also specify margins. For example, margin 2 cm sets a 2 cm margin on all sides. The body element needs some styling too. Set the width to 210 mm and the height to 297 mm. These are the dimensions of an A4 page. Use margin 0 auto to center the content horizontally. You might also want to set box sizing, border box, to ensure that padding and borders don't affect the overall size. Let's talk about print-specific styles. You can use a print style sheet to apply different styles when printing. Link a separate CSS file with the media equals print attribute. For example, link rel equals stylesheet ref equals print.css media equals print. In the print style sheet, you can hide elements that you don't want to print, like navigation bars. Use display a none for these elements. You can also adjust font sizes and colors for better readability when printed. Test your page by printing it. Use the browser's print preview to see how the page will look when printed. Adjust the CSS as needed to achieve the desired layout. Remember to consider headers and footers. You can add headers and footers using CSS and JavaScript. However, they might not render perfectly across all browsers and printers. Keep the content simple. Complex layouts can sometimes cause issues when printing. Try to stick to a straightforward design for the best results. Also, consider using page breaks. The page break before and page break after properties can be used to force a page break before or after an element. This ensures that content is divided logically across pages. Now you have a basic understanding of how to create A4-sized HTML pages with CSS. Remember to experiment with different styles and layouts to achieve the perfect print output. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Your support helps me create more content like this. Consider checking out my other videos for more web development tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.